Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel. If you are here, I believe you want to know the best free animated illustration for your project. But without further ado, let's get started. This is rocketstock.com. This is a free animated type face for editors. So Shutterstock has you covered as it's rare to have free package as this. This font called Robin is a free animated typeface. Now let's check out this free sample to see how it would look like on your video. It looks good, right? Let's not forget, you can modify it to suit your needs as it has numbers and letters that you might require. You can download each one as an MOV file. Also, you can implement this as well as in your Adobe SD, Scratch or Fragma, whichever is okay. This can be done by using this plugin called Anima. It allows you to install all these cool GIF, JSON file as well as other animated videos into your project. This is a very good website to look at. This is called Pixeltroll.com. This has a lot of design and illustration which are all animated. There are some premium illustration as well as some free illustration which we can see here. Now let's go to the free illustration. When we scroll down, you can see this amazing cool looking illustration. These illustrations are very good to put on your project. You can scroll down, there are multiple illustration and animation as well. Now let's go to this. It has more than 100 illustration. It's called minimalistic. Then when we scroll down, you can see it has different features and parts in them. So if you scroll down, if you hover over it, then you can see the animated illustration in it. You hover over it, you see, you get this icon security. This is a beauty robot. They are all free. The growth. All you need to do is just click on the download button here and it will come out in different formats. It is either a zip or a GIF. Now the next. But this is another cool website. It has a lot of illustration animation and very easy to use. This website called Lordicon.com, it comes with editor as well. This means you can edit your icons to suit your needs too. Now let's say the guide tool. As you can see, it has a quick search column where you can search for any items you want, any icons. So this is also the uh, edit icon. Now you can, there's an illustration how to use that as well. Then let's come down to the download an icon. You can download it in different formats. the different file source file. This is you can download in JSON, SVG, EPS, the aftermath project. Then you can also be edited as well. Okay, now you can also embed it on your website by as you can see, you can just copy this and paste on your website as well, which can it will come out good, very good. Then you can go let's go to add icons to your collection. You can also add most of these icons to your collection by signing up to the website. Then the next will be edit a collection. You can also edit your collection as well, which is very good. You can download a collection as well. Now let's look at the icons in it. As well as you can see, we have free icons and premium icons. Now, the premium icons you have to pay, but the free icons you don't need to pay. So once you click any of the icon, it's going to show at this very angle here. So now let's try one of the icons and see how it looks like. Okay, see, this is how it looks like. Now, if you scroll down, you see the download. You can download, you can add to your collection, you can review full editor. So now let's go to review full editor. This is very cool, right? You can actually edit. Let's see. You can actually let's reduce the stroke. You see, you can make it look very faint. And let's go back. You can also scale it, make it look small. You can also make it look big. You can also change the position by adjusting the x-axis. As you can see, you see the movement. You can also change the position as well using the y-axis. Move down, up, just like that. Okay. Now, this is where you can get the embedded HTML. You can copy and paste it on your website. You can also resize it here. Okay. Then there are also, this is also when downloading this, you can actually set it to give MP4 download. You can download it here. They're giving more options. You can also, these are also the source files as well. You can choose whichever you want here as well. This is a very good website as it has a lot of editing function so you can adjust to your needs. This is another good website. There is a Drawer. This is a website where you can get cool illustration animation as well. If we scroll down, we can see it has a lot of animated illustration, different parts for different reason or different purposes. Some of these are actually free. For those that want to icons for the current pandemic, I think the icon Corona wheels. Where is it? Okay. Okay. This icon might be very useful to them. It's, as you can see, it's totally free. If you walk around the website, you can see all the cool icons for free. Okay, Drawkit. Drawkit is already trustworthy website. Lots of cool illustration and icons. In this case, you can download an entire 10 pack of icon for your usage. These are smooth, clean animated illustration of characters and UIs, ready to make your landing page app or website standard from the competition. As you can see, Each one is based on a certain themes. There is a lot of consistency in the way the animation work with respect to the way the animation are, the timing, the colors used, the style of illustration used, and much more. As you can see, there are lots of other packs that you can use if you scroll down here, each having a unique illustration, unique kind of an animation. A lot of these illustration animation are free for download. You don't have to pay. An example is, let's take for example, uh, free working illustration pack. As you can see, it's free here. Let's click on it. So this is also a free vector illustration pack of scenes and characters, working study, typing on calls, recording music, and creative collaborating. So it's a free working illustration. You can also download this if you are interested in it. If you scroll down, you see some of the characters in it. Okay, if you click here too, you see there are so many different packs of icons as well. There are also some more, you can see some of them are also free. Okay, the next one will be, yeah, the next one is icon8.com. This website has a lot of beautiful icons to choose from, and you can get them in the form of animated form, as well in different formats, such as JSON, Lottie, GIF, and After Effects format. This is cool, right? As this support a lot of formats. We can also click on this video here to see how it works. So let's click and see. Cool, right? So now let's scroll down. Let's see some cool icons. Let's see. As you can see, we got some premium icons and also free icons. So let's go to some of the free icons we can get here. As you can see, this you can download this in JSON, GIF, or download in After Effects project. This is how you download. You click on the download button and you go download in the described format. So all you need to do is just to scroll around, check out the names you want, go to a category. Also, there are also some other cool features such as editing. Because there's mouse, there's AI generated photos. You can generate photos. You can AI anonymizer. You can also background remover. I can also remove background here. A smart upscaler. You can scale your photos here. So now let me see. One of the features I like mostly is this very one. You can do some good editing here. You can just go by clicking on start design. So let's say you want to design something for your site, your template for Instagram. Okay, you just come here, click on this, click any model you like, any background you like. Okay, so what you do, you can edit it. Let me refresh. Okay, here we can make some modification, like going to this place, we delete, then we'll bring in something like this, then we'll adjust. It's so cool, right? We can make it a little smaller. Yes, make it look as if he's actually pointing to it, to that image. And we can also make other modification as well. So we can also edit here as well. Make edit here. So we can do it. All you need to just go around into this platform and check if there's anything you like to use. Anytime I get your attention. It has a lot of icons, photo, animated illustrations as well. So, um, well, that's pretty much about this. So if you find this video useful, please click on the subscribe button. Bye.